Today, we'll discuss HTML or Hypertext Markup Language. HTML provides the structure and content for web pages. It's the backbone that browsers use to render visual elements. Let's talk about its history. Tim Berners-Lee, while working at CERN, proposed a system for sharing documents over the Internet. This system became the World Wide Web, and HTML was the markup language he developed to structure those documents.
HTML has gone through several versions since its inception. Here are the key milestones. HTML 1.0 in 1991 was very basic, including only essential elements like headings and paragraphs. HTML 2.0 in 1995 introduced tables and forms. HTML 3.2 in 1997 added support for style sheets and images. HTML 4.01 in 1999 refined the syntax and added scripting capabilities. XHTML in 2000 aimed to reformulate HTML as an XML application. HTML5 in 2014 introduced new elements and APIs for multimedia and improved accessibility and semantics.
HTML has several important characteristics. HTML tags define the structure and meaning of content on a web page. HTML pages can be accessed on any device with a web browser, making it a universal language for the web. Another key feature is its ease of learning and use. Even beginners can quickly start creating structured documents.
HTML also supports extensibility, allowing developers to create custom tags and attributes. This adds flexibility for diverse use cases.
Let's talk about the structure of an HTML document. The head section contains meta-information like the title and links to style sheets, while the body contains the visible content. Remember the document type declaration at the top, which tells the browser what version of HTML you're using. Finally, let's discuss how to create and view an HTML document. You start by writing your code in a text editor and saving the file with an .html extension. To view your document, just double-click the file or open it from within the browser. This way, you can see how your HTML code renders visually.
HTML continues to evolve with the HTML Living Standard maintained by the World Wide Web Consortium, W3C, ensuring consistent and interoperable web content across browsers and platforms. Remember, mastering HTML is the first step in web development. Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it quickly.